That's perfect. And the first thing, this one can be, this can all be gone for now. This one not yet, because I need to make more. But what I want to make are 2 assemblers. No, actually just 1 now. The other one is the liquid crafting one. So this one just needs setup. This one here will be the assembler, circuit 8. So finally these ones can be automated. Okay. Get some factory gauges. I think I'm not going to... I'm gonna do the LV ones as well. Maybe for some input-output buses, hatches. Ah, right, and the muffler hatch and maintenance hatch needs... Maintenance hatch I can also, right, automate like that. This is the one for crafting liquids. Here are the assemblers. Okay, this one is circuit 1. And I think I just need circuit 1, circuit 4 maybe. I think 5 I need for the circuits, for the universal circuits. Which I should maybe already make. It's 5, yeah, okay. So this one is 4, 5, 6, 8. And I will just keep one more here for circuit 1 maybe. So get aluminium plates to make MV casings. Get steel plates to make LV casings. And need to add the assembler here. Assembler circuit 8. Assembler circuit 8. Make always 2. Circuit 8. Also keep 2. Then we need more gauges. Or is that... no, that is not enough. Where is it? Here. Let's get the polyethylene here. No. Let's get the polyethylene here. We got 8 buckets. And we need to make the... Right, this one actually is on the... Okay, before I forgot that. Quickly set that up by... Ah, no, that's not... That's a machine hull. Okay. I thought it's a casing. No. Then we need to go back here. So the LV machine hull is made with tin cable and 288. Yeah, 288 milli buckets. Tin cables are not here yet. And then are these made with copper cables? No, yeah, copper cables. Tin cable, copper cable. And make these. This one can actually be gone already. This is done from that. And polyethylene. No circuit with liquids. And need 2 of these, right? Yes, and 288. And let's keep 2 of these. Probably same thing over here. See before I start that. Yes. Okay. Let's quickly check if everything is crafting. Where are the casings? We'll get to... No. AV machine casing. It's in there. Why it's not in there? What are you two doing here? Ah. That sounds wrong. Yeah, okay. Ah, no way. Okay. Both of these. I forgot to add the casing. So first make them. I will put these inside here because they're probably already requested the next ones. Oh, how many? Okay, maybe I can still fix that. I deleted the casing already. One of that as well. And here. Get one of this. Is it restart? I'm just gonna restart it. And put the other casings back. Let's see if it's working. There it goes. Okay. Nice. That's the machine hull. Maintenance hatch is the next thing. I always want... Actually, the auto maintenance hatch needs 2. Okay, so I need to have always 2 in the system. In the assembler C8 make 2. That is the maintenance also automated. So I can just craft. Right, the pumps. More factory gauges. Maybe. Where's the... Where am I making the other pump? Did I not automate the... No, I didn't. I did not automate the other pump. Good. Then... This requires no circuit. I will just put it here as well then. Even it doesn't require any liquids. So for this pump I need all of these components. So I will put them over here. Except the wire. Copper cable. Copper wire. Copper cable. Rotor. Then use all of these components. This one. And the copper cable. So just 2 of these, the rest is just 1. And make 2 motors, pumps. Okay, that is that. Pumps done. I think I don't need these anymore. For now. Vanadium steel I also made. Right. I should have actually already put the neodymium back. I forgot. Oh, that doesn't look good here. What is happening? What are you? Liquid polyethylene. Ah, right, before I basically canceled the recipe. Okay, these just I don't have. Right. I just wanted to say I don't have super tanks yet. But I can make them now. So, super tanks. And I need the LV electric pump for that anyway, so should have automated that as well. Okay, but this one needs a hermetic casing, which needs a large polyethylene fluid pipe, which I could make like this. So I need to put these into the which I don't have the fluid solidifier set up like that, right? I think I had the somewhere I had a fluid solidifier set up. Where was that? I think right, and that one was made for the making glasses. So then I should maybe do the same thing as I did for the rubber setup here. Put the fluid solidifier next to that and make the ingots already over here maybe. Ah no, actually I can only have the output to here, so this one should actually be... no. I will just put 2 pipes over here. Like that. Then, so... solidifier. This one I should... now I can just make these items. Don't need to craft any other components. Easy peasy. And to make these, the fluid solidifier, this mold, making the ingots. Let's get drawer. And already a downgrade. Oh, that is very close. Could have put it over here. That's okay. I will just put it on top then. This one is supply polyethylene ingot. And I think I need a new extruder. Because, yeah, these are the large pipes. So one more extruder here and another wall. Extruder. Okay, these are of course not autocrafted. Extruder mold large pipe. Made from that. Made from that. Okay. And the packager on top. Then no. But right, this one I want to copy and put large here. Ah, I already typed that over here. So that means I just need to get this one and this one, and I forgot that I wanted to put the ingredient over here. Oh, I just saw something. I didn't link the polyethylene ingot storage to the network. That should now be fine. How's this doing? This is constantly crafting. This has enough oxygen. This is empty, but here's full. Oh. Okay, if everything is running, power is low. Alright. Here as well. But that should be fine because this is going to be full of polyethylene at some point. There's stopping to craft. Why is this one not getting oxygen? I had the same problem before already. But why is it? Like how much power? 1 amp? This one doesn't even run. Here's another amp. And this one has 4 amp supply. Oh. Oh no. I have a bad feeling. Yep. Okay. How much neodymium? 24. Okay, that's good. I also need this dust here. Neodymium dust, I think. So I'm gonna make that manually real quick. But I need to set up that anyway for the future. What are you making right now? Iron, okay. That's the ruby. Okay. Right, I totally forgot that I'm actually out of power. Let's get this one. Okay. And this one is being used to make these. So it's 3,900. Let's see after the first whore. Yeah, it's already at 5,000. That's why I need to make these. Actually, I will. Yes, do it. Oh, that looks good. That looks very good. 8,600, but it's not enough. But actually I still have neodymium. No, this one I wanted to save. $9,800. But of course it's not going up. It's all going to the EBF now. Should be able to turn on these mixers. Okay, but did I... No, I was just in the middle of doing this here. Because now it has that set up. 6 extruder pipe large, make 4. Was too much, 2 is enough. And then the hermetic casing is just crafted. And then the super tank is also crafted, okay. But I need to make the LV pump first. Enough energium for making a lot of coils. Right, so tin cables. Ah, why did I just delete? I have that. So now, right, I need to set these up. And the rubber ring is already there. Actually, get rid of these. Okay. I was wondering. Tin cable, then again 2 of these, right? Same as the other one, yeah. And make how many I needed? 4 or 2? 1, okay. Assembler here. Okay, do it. Crafting. Yes. Okay. Then, over here, I need the pumps. And I need the large pipes. Steel. So combine steel blade with the pipe in the crafter to make 2 of the casing. And combine the casing with a pump, LV circuits, and steel pipes to make these vertex. This one I want to keep 3. And for now I will not use them except if I need them somewhere right now. Like if I run into a problem over the storage, in the storage over there, I will replace the tanks there. For now I will just keep it like that. Okay, and I totally forgot to make Kanthal, so that is a problem because it's gonna take a while now. Chromium, aluminum, that is... I should have... Let's see the amount of chromium. Okay, I also need that for stainless steel. 155. Is that enough? Probably not, but... I think from ruby dust I can also get chromium. But yeah, for now I will just use the supply I have. Where's the mixer? So that one was circuit 3, here was circuit 1. So I need to extend the wall. What was needed? Iron, aluminium, chromium. Chromium is already here. Iron is there, so just the aluminium was missing. Then I didn't even need to extend the wall. In the mixer, circuit 1 makes 3. And I want you to keep 8 in the system. So now, EBF. Oh no. Okay. Kanthal dust to hot Kanthal ingots. Or... no. For now I make the hot Kanthal ingots, but I'm gonna put another crafting process here. And I have to build the chemical bath. So 4 of these EBF. This one keep 4. And then 1-to-1. That one. Make the bath. I think it's lagging a bit. Okay, I need the... Here's a water supply. So I should put it... I should put that... It's the... I think that's just 1 amp. Yes, I built only the 1 amp here. It's not going to be enough. I will need to put that there actually. But then have to build another water supply. Okay, for now I will actually just put it here. Even it's not supposed to be in this area here, but got water here already. I don't want to set up another water accumulator. And anyway, that's just temporary until I can make the vacuum freezer, which is, I think, an HV. Yes, basically HV, because these I can make pretty soon. Yeah, right. Can you not... Can you put water in here? Okay. So then this one here is going to be the cam buff. And here goes the barrel. Packager. Rockport. Then turn it on to send items back to main return. And that's the cam buff setup. Hello? So I'm gonna write that down here. And put the Kanthal. Where was the... There. And put that into the cam buff. Like 16. So then, after that, need to make quite a lot of these. Yeah. So let's get this one done. Kanthal needs to be going here to make the wire. There's the first ingot, so it worked. I need to make 16 of these. And same as over here. Kanthal wire to double Kanthal wire. In the crafter. Make 8. And here now we need a setup to make the liquid copper, which is going to be copper dust. Or no, I'm gonna use copper ingot because they are easier to make than the copper dust. So that. And for that I'm gonna use a super tank. Even that's like overkill for just a bit of this fluid. I don't know, maybe there's a tank in this pack that can store like 10 different fluids or something. That would be nice. But I don't know right now of any tank that could do that. Actually, this polyethylene bucket, I don't need that anymore. Because this is all full now. Okay, just keep it in case I need it for another recipe. And before I send it, to extend this. Actually, this worked pretty fine so far. Not gonna waste the super tank now. I'm gonna search if there's like some way to store multiple liquids in one tank. And there was the copper already. And if not, like, I will then use the super tanks. Bottler. Stock link. And the packager. Supply liquid copper. Yeah, like that. Copper is in there. Got a bucket of copper in here. And let's store the same amount, the tin alloy. What was it? 3 buckets? Okay. So we need one over here and one over here. One ingot is gonna make 144 millibuckets. in the extractor. Keep 3 buckets. Yes, it's starting. Right. Should be working anytime soon. Anyway. Let's make the coils over here. This is getting a bit messy. Gonna put that over here. So the double Kanthal wire. And did I already make the aluminum foil? No. Okay. Then that's actually quite easy. Okay, and then make the coils over here and connect everything up. Plus the copper. 144. Right? Yes, and 8 of each. Make. So, we need to replace the entire EVF. That needs 42, I think it was. And that is gonna take a while. Which is completely fine, because I am going to end the stream here for now and let the game just run in the background and clean up some questing here. This also, now I made sulfuric acid, so I can just pick up a bucket, go through these here, pick up all the quest items here. Then this one also done. I need copper is done. Yes. Okay. That's it for today. We did a bit shorter stream, but quite a lot of things done, especially polyethylene and power upgrade. EBF is also on the next power level. So next time I will continue making I will just build the EBF, because I will continue the stream when these are done. Then set up transistors and make HV circuits. And in the meantime also set up the stainless steel. To then start with HV, where a lot of automation has to be done. Chromium as well. Finally the multi-smelter for replacing the create smelter area. Then here are the circuit assemblers. I can make them already. Plus setup of the clean room. I think, yeah, here, the clean room. It's quite a lot of resources, but everything is automated, so should be no problem. Alright, then see you next time. Bye bye. Ah, Colton. Good, I just read the chat. How do you handle some recipes needing different circuits? Do you make multiple copies of each machine? Yes. So, you mean like then I need the assembler on... Oh, why is there only 100? Good that I just found something here. But yeah, I will make many machines with different circuits, like for especially for the assembler. This one doesn't need any circuit right now. But here's, for example, assembler circuit 8. And then call the packager also same as the assembler. And if I need multiple machines of these in parallel with the same circuit, I build this kind of setup here where the inputs are repackaged and then sent again to these machines. Okay, but before I now end the stream, I will quickly fix that recipe. Seems like I put 44. That is of course not enough. 144. Okay, and I will... I already emptied the bucket for the copper. Okay. I will just delete what's in the... what's in the machine right now. Colton, did I answer your question correctly? Was that what you wanted to hear? Or did you want to know something else? Okay. And put these item back into the... Wait a minute. Okay, forget about crafting these coils for now. I need MB assembler here. Reset. Okay, before I end the stream, one thing to do now. One important thing to do so I can let the world run to craft these coils. Yeah, I was wondering about the program circuits. That's good to know. Inspiring me a bit to work on my own Cradle. Yeah, it's actually so fun because like unlike AE2 where you have to request everything like when you need it. Like you can of course like build this machine here, the Emery requester, and then put every recipe to be automatically stocked. But that's effectively what that is here. And yeah, for example, now I need to craft MB assemblers. I just type MB assembler and just craft one. That's it, because all the components are already made. And I know I want to make maybe more. Like for example, if I want to craft 6 or something, I just increase this here to higher values. Once I have more resources, I will probably do that, like from the HVH on or something. Now I just need one, that's why I'm not gonna do that, I think. But looks a bit like unorganized, but so far It's running pretty good. And it's very fun to set up. And if you want to do that, actually, one thing you have to install, or you should install, is this mod here, Create Factory Logistics. That's a mod that allows the fluid crafting. So that I have wait. Then I have these things here, factory gauges, where I can define fluids and put them in the recipes for the coils here, for example, or the vacuum tubes. That wouldn't be possible if I didn't add this mod to this pack. Let's make a 4 amp. What's this signal? 4 amp energy converter. And get the wire out. It's already putting next items in here, so just need to connect the power. It's pretty dark here. Oh. Okay. That. And where's the wire cut? Okay. It's running. Right, of course they need to be taken out. It seems that's running. Maybe next stream I will add 2 more of these to the system, so that there will be, like right now I could probably run 3 at the same time. There are enough items already requested to make that worth it. Okay, that's diode, the last one probably. And just one more check to see if now the coils are being crafted. Again, motor problem. Why? Okay, I hear something crafting, and it's Kanthal coil block. Okay. Perfect. Now everything works. Alright. But that's it for today. So, see you next time. Bye bye.